The Clarke Harry hot and cold pressure washer is ideal for DIY and trade use on a wide variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. Featuring a powerful 2,300 watt induction motor and a diesel water heater, the Harry Hot Wash produces an impressive flow rate of up to 450 litres per hour at a pressure of up to 145 bar or 2,103 psi. All at a temperature of up to a super hot 80 degrees Celsius for fantastic cleaning results. It will cut through even the most stubborn dirt with ease compared to cold washer alternatives, and is ideal for fast effective cleaning of all types of vehicles to blast away the most ground-in dirt such as bird poo, tree sap, tar chips, winter road salt, and of course mud. All algae covered patios, walkways and oil-stained driveways, all stonework, garden furniture and garden machinery, all caravans, engine bays and much more. This unit rapidly dissolves dirt or grime with ease and cleans vehicles to a valley-grade finish. The Harry Hot Wash has large 246mm wheels and a fixed handle for easy maneuverability and weighs less than 27 kilos. Complete with an 8-meter high-pressure hose and a tough lance with adjustable nozzle from pencil jet to fan jet, Harry Hot Wash also features an integral lance holder, a 1-litre efficient diesel fuel tank, and is ready to go straight out of the box. It's even supplied with a 300mm detergent dispenser bottle for extra cleaning power. Harry Hot Wash is easy to transport and store due to its upright design and compact size. And combined with its economical diesel-powered water heating system, it is ideal for when time is of the essence. Harry Hot Wash is a truly versatile machine, perfect for any exterior cleaning job.